Today on Crypto Fox, we'll be looking at some of the latest Dogecoin news and price analysis. Before we get into the video, we have some special information for you. We all know how bad an extended bearish market can be for crypto in general. Things can go from sweet to sour in a matter of moments, and the bad times often weigh more heavily than the good times, especially with crypto volatility at its peak. If there was a way in which you could own a crypto and be able to maintain the value of your asset throughout a market crash, wouldn't you grab it with both hands? What we're offering also offers the opportunity to grow the value of your asset during a bearish market. It's innovation at its best. It's the world's first growth coin, the Gold Secured Currency, or GSX. It's a cryptocurrency backed by actual gold. Want to know more about it? Check out the links provided in the description box for more information. We're all aware of the current price action of Dogecoin and how it's gaining momentum on the intraday charts. This is not to say that it's gone on a comprehensive run, such as we've seen on other cryptocurrencies. And several crypto blogs have pointed out that Dogecoin has been overall silent over the last month, as many coins have went parabolic. Many would say that Dogecoin has lost some of its buzz and its influencers have themselves gone quiet. Some even pointed out that Elon Musk was getting out of the Doge market. One of the possible reasons is that given the pedigree of Dogecoin, it was expected to be trading above 40 cents at a minimum. It would be a plus, although it's still some ways below Dogecoin's all-time high, around 71 cents. Some critics have stated that the reason its resurgence has not been that strong was because of how much it has already risen the past year and a half. Technically, this would mean that they believe that Dogecoin is spent for the year. As far as we can see from March 2020 till date, the price of Dogecoin is still trading at about 25,000% higher than it was before. If that's the case, then we have cause to believe that there is some bright side coming into view about a return to higher prices. If bulls manage the bullish breakout of the pennant, another leg up will occur. According to analysis by CoinGape, ever since Doge price broke above 25 cents, it's been holding a bottom trend line. This trend line held for nearly 3 weeks and before the price finally broke below. This trend has also formed the bottom part of the bull pennant, which is shown in light blue. Doge is still near the peak of this triangle, and a breakout might occur soon. If bulls manage to break to the upside, they must also break and hold the major resistance mark between 32 and 33 cents. If this is deemed successful, Doge has a free sky for a push up to 36 to 38 cents. Most of the time a bull pennant forms, it has a 75% accuracy rate of breaking to the upside. In the case that bulls fail to break to the upside and break below the bottom of the pennant, we should expect it to maintain a drop to 26 to 29 cents. Before this can happen, bears must push Doge price below the 70 MA, which has held price up ever since the start of August. If price breaks below the midterm trend along with this MA, a downtrend is likely to follow. Support will be found at 25 cents, 24 cents, and 23 cents. While looking at the stochastic RSI, we can see it's been swinging right around the middle value of 50. This shows a breakout is soon to occur as bulls and bears are fighting for strength. The regular RSI also confirms this view as a pennant formation is shown over the last week. Once strength breaks to either side, price will be right along with it. That gives us a spot-on perspective of the current Doge market activity. It's currently trading within the 26 to 29 cents range, and the trend line still relatively bullish with low volatility and a high resistance set at 35 cents. It's in the current situation that Tesla CEO Elon Musk once again started referencing Doge on Twitter, although in a new way. The Musk way often involves memes, and he sure loves using Dogecoin memes. He didn't specifically post a tweet, but he passed a comment on a photo of an ancient dog from the Roman settlement, calling it Ancient Doge. This would be his first apparent involvement in the Doge market following the current period of recovery following the few months of the bearish market, which started in mid-May of this year. It didn't take so long for Tesla CEO Elon Musk to get back to supporting his coin of choice, Doge. It seems he's adopting a change in tactic this time, and we're anticipating how he plans to move forward with his support for Dogecoin in the weeks to come. The image, published by Gareth Harney, inspired Musk to call the ancient dog skeleton the Ancient Doge, and as per usual, the Doge supporters among his followers reacted as well. The post skyrocketed in terms of comments and other forms of attention, featuring over 10,000 likes and over 700 comments almost immediately. But have you heard of the Gold Secured Currency, also known as GSX? It is a real-time cryptocurrency that's backed by actual gold. Its dependence on gold, whose price is less volatile, makes it a good choice for surviving bearish crypto markets without depreciating in value. What more can investors ask for right now? To learn more about GSX and how to buy the token, check out the links in the video description. It appears that Elon Musk continues to support Doge despite warnings and criticism. He, alongside another billionaire fan of Dogecoin, have stated that Dogecoin is far stronger than Bitcoin or Ethereum when it comes to its potential for making payments. But there's no doubt that his dedication to promoting the coin has had a strong impact on its price. Musk is far from being the only reason why Doge skyrocketed to become the best performer of the year, but his influence is still quite strongly felt. In fact, Dogecoin's new wave of popularity caused its developers to return and start working on the project's technology. And even the Dogecoin Foundation announced its reformation last week, stating that there are big plans for the future of the project. For now, Doge still remains far below its all-time high, but another major bull run could change that if the crypto market manages to start it in weeks and months to come. Another look at the general market dynamics shows that Bitcoin has slipped below its monthly high of about $50,000 to trade around $47,000. And Dogecoin has also slipped to navigate around the 27 cents from a high of around 32, after a period of bearish trading that saw its value decline by almost 10%. The bullish trend is looking a little shaken due to a series of sharp sell-offs as investors took profit rather than hodl. One of the more interesting news pieces that investors might be unaware of is that the rising adoption, which could be an important factor for sponsoring adequate support for any future move by Dogecoin. A recent report by Chain Analysis suggests an uptick in adoption of the meme coin among new investors. On-chain analysis reveals that around 4 million investors currently hold some amount of Doge. However, what's interesting to note is that of this number, 82% of the supply is held by around 535 addresses that store over 10 million Doge each. According to the firm, this is likely a mixture of businesses, such as exchanges that store Doge on behalf of millions of traders, and a few now wealthy early investors. Technical analysis of the chart for Doge USD reveals a strong bullish bias among moving averages and the momentum indicator, although the MACD suggests some interest among sellers as well at the moment. Dogecoin's price is holding just above the pivot point at 31 cents, and an increase in buying pressure can see buyers test the immediate resistance at 35.1 cents. In case buyers break past this level, they can face resistance at 38.8 cents before rising above the key 40 cents level. We can look forward to some interesting moves on the Doge market. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. Don't forget to check out the links in our video description for our Patreon and Discord group, and make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
That's how it goes. Hollywood perfect.